So I have been super anti putting a new radio or sound system into my Lotus Elise because weight, and also because I don't want this to be a high-tech car. So this is the radio that I currently have in here. It's literally one of these like peak 2002 era, like it does the little squiggly line across it, clips in and out. So that's what I currently have in here, but I found a portable double din that I do not have to do a full install on. I have not turned it on yet. So this is the Car Puride. I don't know which size this one is, but all I have to do, I think, I haven't done an install with this, so I'm gonna plug it in. I'm not sure the cigarette lighter works. We're gonna have to wire it. But this should work like a movable double din, and I can take it out whenever I want to, theoretically. Okay. Oh, okay, so there's a light on that, so that's news. That's really fun finding out that cigarette lighter works. And then supposedly this just plugs into my aux port. Okay, it just turned on. So this is what the screen looks like. Looks just like a regular screen like you would expect on a double din. Gives me options for radio, for USB, for Bluetooth, and AirPlay, which I am excited about because this is currently my daily driver until I grow up and decide to rebuild my Lotus Evora to drive. Okay, let's do aux. This is aux out, cam in. I'm not very smart. AV out. Okay, I'm gonna go with that one. And I think I just have to switch this over. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And then it came with two different things. I'm not really sure where in the car I want to put this because it's large. It says this is a 9-inch display, touchscreen display, but it comes with this mount. I'm not going to put it on my dashboard because I feel like I'm never going to do that again, but I guess I could actually put it up here like where my rear view mirror. No, I'm not going to do that. Okay, this is a problem for later. We're just testing to see if it works right now. So here we go. And this is also going to allow me to install this. I got this from Red Tiger. This is one of the, it's a rear view mirror, but it's also a camera. And I also got a rear view camera because this is my rear visibility. Can't see anything, so really having that camera is going to, first of all, protect me going forward because people keep trying to hit my car because they don't pay attention. And it's also going to give me better rear visibility and help a lot with my blind spots. So it looks like this is just, it's actually pretty heavy. We're going to wire this in, and we're going to use this. Comes with Car Puride. This is the wireless video transmission adapter, so I hopefully do not have to run a ton of wires through the car. Not that it's hard because my wires come right here through that. That's my bulkhead where all my wiring and my ECU is. So it wouldn't be hard to do. But for something that I could take in and out of the car, I think this is actually pretty neat. So I'm going to do a full install and see what I think. I'm not going to lie, that's actually really cool. I never really imagined seeing that in my Lotus Elise ever, but as a daily driver, I'm pretty excited. And most importantly, when I'm done, I could literally just unplug it and take it out of the car if I wanted to, and it goes back to just a regular, completely analog, ignore the check engine light car.